The latest Chrome tricks and tips for 2024. Here are some of the latest Google Chrome tips and tricks for 2024 that can enhance your browsing experience. Built-in tab search. Built-in tab search is a feature in Google Chrome that allows you to quickly find open tabs by searching for keywords in their titles or URLs. This is especially helpful when you have many tabs open and can't find the one you need.
Open Chrome. Launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click the tab search icon. Look for a small downward-facing triangle icon. Search for tabs. A list of your open tabs will appear. Type keywords related to the tab you're looking for into the search bar. Select the tab. Once you find the desired tab, simply click on it to open or close it. Live Caption. Live Caption is a feature in Google Chrome that automatically generates captions for any audio or video content played on your browser. Here's how to enable it. Open Chrome Settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Select Settings. Go to Accessibility Settings. Scroll down further and click on Accessibility. Toggle the Live Caption switch to the on position. Once enabled, you'll see captions appear automatically on any video or audio content played in Chrome. Note, Live Caption works offline, so you don't need an internet connection for it to function. It's a great tool for those who are hard of hearing or prefer to watch videos with captions. Read pages later. You can save web pages to read later or when you're offline. To read pages later offline, download them in Chrome ahead of time. To read a page later, add it to your reading list. On your computer, open Chrome. Go to a page you want to read later. At the top right, select More and then Bookmarks and Lists and then Reading List. Select Add tab to Reading List. Tip: you can also add a tab to your reading list by right-clicking on the tab and then Add tab to Reading List. Find your reading list. On your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, select More and then Bookmarks and Lists and then Reading List. Select Show Reading List. Google Chrome Incognito Mode. Google Chrome's Incognito Mode is a privacy feature that allows you to browse the internet without saving your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered in forms on your device. This means that your activity won't show up in your Chrome browser history, so people who also use your device won't find your activity. On your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click More and then New Incognito Window. A new window appears. In the top corner, check for the incognito icon. Reading Mode. Use Reading Mode in the side panel. Customize your reading experience on Chrome with Reading Mode. This feature is conveniently located in the side panel and helps you focus more easily on text. Reduce distractions from images and videos on screen. Select alternate typeface and font size. Adjust letter and sentence spacing. Choose background color. Important: these settings only apply to the text you want to read in the side panel. They won't apply to any other content in Chrome or to general websites. When you use Reading Mode in the side panel, you can adjust font settings for easier reading. On your computer, open Chrome. Go to a website with text that you'd like to read. At the top right, select More and then More Tools and then Reading Mode. Under Reading Mode, use the toolbar to adjust the font. Adjust the font size. Change the Reading Mode background color. Change the spacing between sentences. Change the spacing between letters. Thank you for watching this video, and hope this can helping you. Please stay tuned for next episode.